Unraveling the Mystery. The meaning of milk run. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to unravel, milk run. This may sound a bit quirky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive right in and explore the world of milk run together. The term milk run originates from the American and Australian military during World War II. It referred to low-risk missions that were routine and predictable, much like the daily delivery of milk was back in those days. Over time, this phrase transitioned from the military world into everyday language, where it has taken on a broader meaning. In today's context, a milk run refers to any task or journey that is easy, routine, and poses little to no challenge. It can be used in various contexts, such as work, travel, or even personal errands. For instance, the drive to the grocery store is a milk run. I do it almost every day. Don't worry about the presentation. It's a milk run since we have prepared so well. Now that we know what milk run means, let's look at how to incorporate it into sentences. 1. When describing an easy task. The boss assigned me a milk run this time, just filing and organizing documents. 2. When talking about a habitual or routine journey. I take the milk run to work every day. The traffic is always light, and I know the route by heart. 3. To express relief for a simple assignment. I was expecting a challenging project, but this is a milk run. And there you have it, the meaning and usage of the phrase, milk run. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression and that you feel confident using it in your own English conversations. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep practicing and keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.